So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you Redbubble shop reviews, helping you guys to build the perfect Redbubble shops. Redbubble have now activated a new product in caps. We're going to talk a little bit about that. So if you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you're someone who's looking to get to that point, I also have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description alongside a paid step-by-step guide that will pretty much fast track you guys to print on demand success. Shop review. So yes, we are back with another installment, and if you're someone who has a shop that wants their shop to be reviewed, there's a link down in the description where you can submit your shops. I do my best to get through as many shops as I can, as quite a lot of shops are submitted. So if you don't see your shop being reviewed straight away, don't be disheartened. I really do hope that the information I give to these shops I'll be reviewing, you guys can actually take that on board as well and apply it to your own shops if you haven't done so already. Jumping us straight into this, the first shop we have is Office Fortune. First thing that stands out to me is the banner. You know, it's not too complicated, simplistic, but looks good. And then the picture, I'm guessing, is just the person who runs the store. There's currently only 45 designs, so there's still a ways to go in regards of uploading designs. I always recommend to hit your first 100 designs before you start trying to improve things. There's a featured collection, which is good to see. And there's more collections just below, which makes life a lot easier for the customer. One thing I like about this shop is the fact that they are already putting caps on their shop, so they're activating them as front products. Now, one thing you guys need to realize when it comes to Redbubble, and I'll probably talk about it a little bit more in this video, is that whenever new products are released, that's a whole new market that's now open to you guys. So you definitely need to take advantage of that. There's only 6 favorites on the shop at the moment, which means not too many people are finding it, but I believe that that will soon change. And I'm just going to click on a design to see how they've gone about titling and everything that comes along with that. So this has been titled, "I Don't Work Overtime Because It Is a Waste of Time." Now, this may be something that is trending. I'm not too sure, but let's have a quick check. I'll just throw it in here quickly. No, it actually doesn't look like something that's trending, but I feel like it may have been trending at some point, which is maybe why this person has made this design. They've put a nice little description, which is always good to see. I'm not seeing the keywords in the title in the description, so that's something they could do to kind of improve that. In terms of products activated, I'm only seeing 89 products activated. It should be roughly 94, 95 now, especially with the caps added. So this person definitely needs to make sure that they're activating all products. And then in terms of the tags, I can already tell you that the tags need improvement, because the keywords that I'm seeing in here are keywords that will most likely have a lot of results and a lot of competition. You need to find keywords that may be trending, that have low competition. For example, if I typed in work, I can see I can't work today as something that's trending. If I click on it, let's see how many results. There's 1,093 results. Now, this isn't as high compared to some of the results that will pop up under the keywords the person was using. And yeah, something as simple as this could be implemented into the title, description, and tags. But yeah, overall, you know, the shop looks fairly good. It's still new, so they need to push to 100 designs. Once they get to those 100 designs, they can then look to see what's bringing sales, what's getting favorites, and kind of build a plan in regards of which products they'll design for and which types of designs they'll make from that. Moving us on to the next shop, we have Blessing Direct. The banner looks pretty cool. I mean, it stands out. Gold in the banner, gold in the logo. It matches. Blessing Direct has got 101 designs, which is always good to see here. And I'm seeing no featured collection, so that's definitely something that could be added. And I'm seeing collections just below here. The main reason I suggest a featured collection is mainly because if you have a certain design that's doing well, or a certain style of designs that's doing well, you can literally have them at the top of your shop to further increase sales on those style of designs. Even looking through, I'm seeing one cap, t-shirts, stickers, some caps. There's a variation of different style of designs, which is good to see. And I like the fact that they have implemented caps in their shop. That's probably going to be a main feature to this video, seeing whether people are activating caps or not, mainly because within the cap niche, or within niches under the cap product, there's not a lot of results. I might even show you an example of that before I do finish with this video. Nevertheless, the shop looks fairly good. I'd be interested in knowing how many sales this person has, because from what I can see on the shop, there's a big mixture of things going on, and as they've hit 101 designs, it's now a matter of seeing which kind of designs are getting traction to make more of. They've got 16 favorites, so I would assume not too many people are finding this shop. And when it comes to some of the designs, like this YouTube design, you need to kind of stay away from designs like this, because the YouTube logo is something that's definitely trademarked. Designs like this, I feel like could perform well, mainly because they can be very scalable. But I'm going to click into a design and we'll go a little bit more in depth into that. So it's titled "The Show Must Go On." I'm not too sure if this is in relation to a film or anything along those lines, but just looking at the title, obviously self-explanatory. Description, you've got the title and the description, which always works alongside that. And in terms of activated products, 94, so yeah, they've pretty much got everything activated, which is good to see. Tags, all product tags, there's 4 tags. They definitely need more tags there in relation to this. The shop is at 101 designs, so yeah, they can most definitely start to see and look through their data to see which designs are bringing in the most traffic. That's if they are connected to Google Analytics, and yeah, pretty much design going forward from that information. Next up, we have Retro Place. The banner looks very, very creative. I like the fact that there's a lot of pictures of people wearing products with the person's designs. 557 designs, which is very impressive. A featured collection at the top, more collections just below that. From what I'm seeing with these designs, a lot of these designs look custom, like things that they try to kind of make themselves. One bit of advice I would give to this person and anyone else, watching this video who's on Redbubble, is when it comes to making your own custom designs such as this one, you want to be making it linked to something that's trendy. I love the fact that they're putting a lot of hard work into their shop, but in terms of designs, I would recommend them to stick to making designs that look similar to this one that says "Addicted to Books," or this one that says "Happy Fall, Y'all," mainly because these are designs I could see people buying, and they're designs that look like they stand out. I like the fact that they have sticker pack here. With the sticker pack though, I would make sure that the writing stands out and is sized correctly, because it kind of seems like it's a bit squished. So little things like that on sticker packs do really make a difference. I want this person to kind of take this advice not too much as criticism, but as something constructive to help them build their shop, because I can see they have 90 favorites, and with 500 plus designs, I feel like they have a lot of potential if they stick to making designs that look very similar to this, that stand out, and that are linked to trends. Clicking into this design, it's been titled "Just Minding My Business." In terms of the description, they've put, "I made it cute, just minding my business." Okay, design. So they've tried to add keywords from the title, which is good to see. In terms of what this is activated on, am I seeing this right? Is this only activated on 8 products? If that's the case, that's really not good. They definitely need to activate more products there, mainly because, like I always say, the more products you have your designs activated on, the more chances you have of getting the sale. And tags definitely needed to be added, as they only have 3 keywords in the tags, which when it comes to Redbubble, it's a no-no. You need to make sure that you're making good use of your tags if you want to get sales. Next up, we have Naimura. I think that's how it's pronounced. Nevertheless, the banner says, live and learn. It looks very wholesome. I like the blues and how it complements the logo as well. 112 designs on the shop. Featured collection, so a Halloween collection, which will be an upcoming holiday. It's actually coming really quickly. I think it'll be in the next sort of couple of months to 3 months. I like the fact that they're jumping ahead of it. More collections just below there. I'm seeing sticker packs. I'm seeing a lot of stickers and t-shirts. There's a range of products once again in there, including kids clothing. So yeah, they're trying to make sure that they're creating for different style of products. I would recommend them to maybe look into greetings cards as well, mainly because their designs look like some of them will work really good and things like greetings cards. For example, this design, if it was then linked to a birthday somehow, that would be very, very cool on a greetings card. They have 13 favorites, which means not too many people are finding their shop, but there's too much potential here. The way they make their designs, the way they allow their designs to stand out, to me screams potential. Clicking on this design, so they've titled this Meditating Cat, Cute Yoga Cat. So a lot of keywords in the title, which is something that I always push a lot for from you guys. They've got this activated on 77 products, same keywords in the description as well. Products wise, they definitely need to activate more, because like I said last time, the more products activated, the more chance you have of getting the sale. And in terms of the tags, I'm seeing not too many tags, but these are all tags that are in relation to what is in the title. So I feel like, yeah, this is a good job in regards of what they've done with keywords there. I'd be interested to see what the traffic is like on this design, because cat style designs like this usually perform well. And I feel like if this person made more designs that are similar to this, maybe even this same design, but you make a green version, I feel like, you know, it could do potentially very well by creating multiple versions of this design, because these are the kind of things people look for. I feel like this person might have some sales here or there. Even if it's 5 sales, have a look to see what is getting you those sales and make more of it. I really do feel like it will make the difference moving forward. And then to finish us off with the final shop, we have this shop here called Zootler. I think that's how it's pronounced. Banner is very colorful, looks fairly cool. Got a featured collection at the top, they've titled Trending, and then they've got more collections just below. I think 4 out of the 5 shops have had featured collections, which is good to see. I'm seeing caps in there, masks, loving the sticker packs. I think I'm seeing something Disney based in there. You want to stay away from anything Disney based. It will most likely get taken down if it gets caught. So yeah, you really do want to stay away from those types of things. You've got 1,155 favorites. So a lot of favorites there. And I would assume that they have some sales. Even if it's 10 sales, I would assume that they have some sales, so they can definitely work off that. I'm gonna click on this design right here. Let's have a look to see how they've titled it. Just a girl who loves Halloween. Now, obviously, this is something that was a trending keyword at one point. So I feel like they've done a good job with that, mainly because they're working on something that was trending. They've got similar keywords in the description, everything activated. I'm seeing 94 products here. And then in terms of the tags, just a girl who loves Halloween. So yeah, they've got keywords that are in relation, which is always good to see. For this person, I feel like when it comes to these types of designs, you know, they're doing a good job. What a lot of people don't understand, even though caps at this point in time, you know, might not be getting that much traction, as it's a new product, as it starts to pop up on Google searches more and more, these caps on Redbubble are going to start to do ridiculously well, as caps usually do well on other print-on-demand sites. Right, guys, so I just want to quickly show you something before I finish this video. So if you go on Redbubble and you search hats, this is what you see. Now, it's only showing 4,215 results. There is more results than this, depending on which niches that you're in. But just to show you an example of how good it is to, you know, make hats. If I was to search cat, and obviously hats of cats pop up, you can see there's 32,000 results. But if I was to cross off hats and then search cat, you see there's 1.3 million results. Now, the reason I'm showing that is so you understand that if you create for big niches using products, new products like caps or hats, there's a very, very high chance that you can get a sale in comparison to maybe designing a design, putting it on a t-shirt as the front image. I hope, you know, you take that little bit of advice and you run with it, because hats are still new. A lot of people still haven't activated them, so there's still room for you guys to jump in and get some extra sales. Already I'm seeing people have started to implement hats like we saw in some of the shops I spoke about today. For today, I think I'm gonna leave it here anyway. So if you did enjoy, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. If you made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, just comment hats. I mean, they're in store, they're ready to buy, and they're ready to make you guys money. So yeah, I'll respond to as many of you guys that do comment hats in the comment section. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.